Differentiation of x raised to n is nx to the power of n minus 1, whereas integration of n times x to the power of n minus 1 is x raised to n. Integration of 1 over x square is minus 1 by x square, because differentiation of 1 over x is minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply. dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss regarding integrals. First part, that is indefinite integrals. Now before going to the chapter, let us know regarding the weightage for this chapter. In this chapter you are going to get 1 mark 2 questions, 2 marks 3 questions, 3 marks 3 questions, and 1 5 marks question and 1 6 marks question. That is in indefinite integrals, not in a definite. This is in indefinite integrals. Now let us move on to the first problem. Before going to the exact, let me recall the list of integrals. Now you know this integral is a reverse process of differentiation, that is finding a function whose derivative is known is called as the integration. Now so you know d by dx of x raised to n. Differentiation of x raised to n is nx to the power of n minus 1. If we integrate nx to the power of n minus 1, integral of n into x to the power of n minus 1 dx. So n constant, differentiation integral of x to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1, these two gets cancelled. So n x to the power of n by n, this also gets cancelled. So differentiation of x raised to n is nx to the power of n minus 1, whereas integration of n times x to the power of n minus 1 is x raised to n. So here integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, because d by dx of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 c is equal to x raised to n. Now you know differentiation of log x is 1 over x and integration of 1 over x is equal to log x. So differentiation of log x is 1 over x, integration of 1 over x is log x. So this is very important formula. For example, if it is 2, integral of x square can be written as x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x cube by 3 plus c, where c is called the constant of integration. Suppose if it is minus 2 into dx. So here this is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, that is x raised to minus 1 plus c, or this can also be written as minus 1 over x plus c. So provided n is not equal to minus 1. Now let us move on to the next one. Integration of 1 over root x dx is equal to 2 root x dx, because differentiation of 2 root x dx plus c is 1 over root x. So integration of 1 over root x dx is 2 root x. Now integration of 1 over x square is nothing but x to the power of minus 2. Integration of x raised to minus 2 is nothing but minus 1 by minus 1, that's equal to minus 1 by x plus c. So integration of 1 over x square is minus 1 by x square, because differentiation of 1 over x is minus 1 by x square. Now integral of e to the power of x is e to the power of x. Differentiation of e raised to x plus c is e power x. So integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Even differentiation of e to the power of x is also e to the power of x. Now you know the integral of a to the power of x is a raised to x divided by log a to base c, whereas differentiation of a to the power of x is a to the power of x log a to base c. So differentiation of a power x is a power x log a to base c, whereas integration of a to the power of x is a to the power of x divided by log a to base c. As you know, integral of sin x is minus cos x and integration of cos x is sin x, because differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So therefore integration of sin x is minus cos x and integration of cos x is equal to sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Similarly, integration of tan x dx is log secant x plus c, because differentiation of log x is 1 over secant x into differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Secant gets cancelled, we will get tan x. So integration of tan x dx is log secant x. Similarly, integration of cot x dx is log sin x or minus log cosecant x. Integration of secant x dx is log secant x plus tan x. Integration of cosecant x dx is equal to minus log cosecant x plus cot x or log of cosecant x minus cot x. This is very important. Integral of tan x is log secant x. Integration of cot x is log sin x. Integration of secant x is log secant x plus tan x. And integration of cosecant x is log cosecant x minus cot x. Now, move on to the next one. Integral of secant square is tan x. You know, differentiation of tan x is secant square x. D by dx of tan x. Differentiation of tan x is equal to secant square x. So, integral of secant square x is tan x. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x, because differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Now, similarly, secant x tan x. Integral of secant x tan x is secant x. Integral of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x. You know, differentiation of secant x, d by dx of secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So, integration of secant x tan x is secant x. D by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. So, integral of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x. Very important formulas. So, integral of secant square x is tan x. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Integration of secant x tan x is secant x. And integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. Now, by knowing this, let us know regarding the rules of differentiation. So, in properties of rules of integrations or properties of indefinite integrals. What are the properties or rules? Integral of f of x plus or minus g of x plus or minus h of x, etc. Number of terms are there, means term by term integration. Integration of f of x dx, if it is plus, put plus, if it is minus, put minus. F of x dx plus or minus integration of g of x dx plus or minus integration of h of x plus or minus, etc. Number of, that is called term by term integration. Now, let us move on to a simple problem for 1 mark. Evaluate integral of x square minus 7x plus 1 dx. Now, term by term integral. Integral of x square dx minus integration of 7x dx plus integration of 1 dx. So, integral of x square is x cube by 3. 7 constant, integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of dx is x plus c is the integrated answer. So, you know, integration of a constant into function means you can take constant out and integrate the function into dx. So, where this k is called as a constant and plus c is called the constant of integration, right. Now, similarly, move on to the second problem. So, this is integral of x to the power of 4 dx plus integration of 4 to the power of x dx plus integration of e to the power of 4x dx. Integration of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 by 5 plus c. You know what is in the integration of a to the power of x is a raised to x divided by log a. So, this is 4 to the power of x divided by log 4 to base c plus integration of e to the power of ax is e raised to ax by a. So, integral of e to the power of 4x is e raised to 4x by 4 plus c. This is the integrated answer. That is it. Okay. See here, integral of x raised to 4 is x raised to 5 by 5. Integration of 4 to the power of x, a to the power of x is a power x by log a to base c. What is 4 to the power of x? What is base? 4 is the base. So, therefore, 4 power x divided by log 4 to base c. Here also, integral of e to the power of ax is e raised to ax by a. What is a? 4. E raised to 4x by 4 plus c is the integrated answer. So, you may expect this type of questions for 1 or 2 marks. Now, move on to the next problem. These are all 2 marks question, 1 or 2 marks question. Evaluate x plus 1 over x whole square dx. Now, you can apply the formula for this. This is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab into dx. So, this x and x gets cancelled, x square, and take this to the numerator, x raised to minus 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 dx. Now, term by term integral, integral of x square dx plus integral of x raised to minus 2 dx plus integration of 2 constant into dx. So, this is x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3 plus integral of x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So, minus 1 by minus 1 plus 2 into integration of dx is x plus c, or this can also be written as x cube by 3 minus into plus minus, bring this to the denominator 1 over x plus 2x plus c is the integrated answer. That is it. See here, a square plus b square plus 2ab x square, this is taken to the numerator, x raised to minus 2, x and x gets cancelled to term by term integral. Integral of x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by minus 1, 2 into integration of dx is x plus c, x cube by 3, bring this to the denominator, minus 1 over x plus 2x plus c is the integrated answer. Now move on to the next problem. This is very important type problem. There are two problems like secant x into secant x plus tan x is the first problem. Multiply this, secant into secant is secant square x and secant x into tan x is secant x tan x dx. Term by term integral, integral of secant square x dx plus integration of secant x into tan x dx. You know, integral of secant square x is tan x plus integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c is the integrated answer. So tan x plus secant x multiplied secant into secant square, integral of secant square x is tan x, secant x tan x, integration of secant x tan x is secant x plus c. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the similar type problem. See, cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x. This is also important. You may expect one question either from this or that. Multiplied cosecant into cosecant, cosecant square x plus cosecant x into cot x dx. So term by term integral, integral of cosecant square x dx plus integral of cosecant x cot x dx. So integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Again integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. So if you want, you can take minus out, minus of cot x plus cosecant x plus capital C. This is the integrated answer. Or you can stop here itself, minus cosecant x minus cot x plus c is the integrated answer. Now, hope you followed. These are very simple problems. Now, move on to the next problem. Evaluate x square into 1 minus 1 by x square. So, just multiply x multiply by x square into 1 is x square dx minus again x square into 1 over x square dx. Turn by turn multiplication. X square into 1 is x square minus x square into 1 by these two gets cancelled. So, x square dx minus 1 into dx is dx. Integral of x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. Integration of dx is x plus c. That's it. Very simple problem for 2 marks. See, multiply by x square into 1 is x square dx minus x square into 1 by x square gets cancelled. Integral of x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3 minus integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Right. Now move on to the next one. Find the antiderivative of f. Antiderivative of the function given by f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6. Antiderivative is nothing but the difference integration. So what is given? F of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6. The antiderivative. So antiderivative of f of x is nothing but integration of 4x cube minus 6 dx. That's it. So 4 into integral of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 6x plus c. So these two gets cancelled. X power 4 minus 6x plus c. That's it. The antiderivative of the function is x raised to 4 minus 6x plus c. So if you differentiate 4x cube minus 6, you will get the same question. Right. Now move on to the next problem. Same. Integrate. So this is nothing but integration by the method of substitution. Now this can be done by the method of substitution. Integrate the following with respect to x. The first one, integral of 2x into sine of x square plus 1 dx. Now let us write this as first sine of x square plus 1 into 2x dx. Let us take the substitution. Put t is equal to x square plus 1. Differentiate dt by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x plus 1 constant 0. Cross multiply dt is equal to 2x dx. This given integral reduces to integral sine of x square plus 1 is t. This entire quantity 2x dx is equal to dt. You know what is integration of sine t? Minus cos t plus c minus cos of, substitute the value of t. What is t we have taken? X square plus 1 plus c. That's it. minus of cos x square plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. This is very important for 2 marks. See, just rearrange this. First write down 2x sin square x plus 1 can be written as sin of x square plus 1 into 2x dx. Put this as t is equal to x square plus 1. Differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x plus 1 constant 0. Cross multiply dt is equal to 2x dx. Now therefore this can be written as the given integral becomes sin of x square plus 1 is sin t, 2x dx is equal to dt. Integration of sin t is minus cos t plus c, minus cos of what is t? X square plus 1, the substitution we have taken. That's it. Now move on to the similar type problem. This is very important problem. You may expect this for 2 or 3 marks. Integrate tan to the power of 4 root x secant square root x divided by root x. So this integral can be written as given integral tan to the power of 4 root x into secant square root x divided by root x into dx. Now you can take the substitution. What is the substitution? Put t is equal to tan root x, just tan root x. Differentiation of tan, differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of tan is secant square root x into d by dx of root x, function of a function 1 over 2 root x. Cross multiply. 2 times dt is equal to secant square root x divided by root x into dx. Very important step. See, put t is equal to tan root x. Differentiation of tan root x is secant square root x into d by dx of root x is 1 over 2 root x. Now therefore this given integral become integral. What is tan root x? T. Tan to the power of 4 is t to the power of 4. This entire quantity secant square root x by root x can be written as 2 dt. Now this is 2 out. Integral of t to the power of 4. What is integral of t to the power of 4? 4 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 5 plus c. So this is equal to 2 by 5 into, substitute the value of t. What is t we have taken? Tan to the power of 5 times root x plus c is the integrated answer. So 2 by 5 tan to the power of 5 root x plus c, or 2 by 5 tan root x to the power of 5 plus c is the integrated answer. What is tan? T. So 2 times 2 by 5 tan to the power of 5 root x plus c is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. Okay, right. Now move on to the next problem. So integrate integral of sine of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So the given integral can be written as integral of sine of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now this can also be written as sine of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now let us take this as the substitution. Put t is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to x. dt by dx is equal to, what is differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply it. dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So this given equation becomes integral sine of tan inverse x is t. This entire quantity is equal to dt. Now what is integration of sine t? Minus cos t plus c. Integration of sine t is minus cos t. So this is equal to minus cos of t. What is t we have taken? Tan inverse x plus c is the integrated answer. Right. Integration of sine t is minus cos t. Minus cos of, substitute the value of t, tan inverse x plus c. This is also an important problem for 2 marks. Now move on to the next problem. Integrate integral of 1 over x plus x log x. Now let us solve this first. Now this can be written as integral. You can take the common factor. X is the common factor. 1 plus log x dx. Now this can be written as 1 over 1 plus log x into 1 over x dx. Now take the substitution. Put t is equal to 1 plus log x. If you differentiate, dt is equal to 1 over x dx. Differentiation of log x is 1 over x. So therefore this given integral becomes 1 over t. This entire quantity 1 over x dx is equal to dt. So integration of 1 over t is log t plus c. Substitute the value of t. What is t is equal to? This is logarithm of t. T is equal to what we have taken? 1 plus log x. Log x plus c is the integrated. Logarithm of 1 plus log x plus c is the integrated answer. This is also an important problem. See here, you can take x common factor, x out, 1 plus log x, put t is equal to 1 plus log x. Differentiation of 1 is 0, log x is 1 over x dx. So 1 by t into 1 over x dx is equal to dt. Integration of 1 over t is log t plus c. What is t? Log of 1 plus log x. Log of 1 plus log x plus c is the integrated answer. Now move on to the second problem. What is the problem given? So e to the power of tan inverse x by 1 plus x squared. This can be written as, so this is equal to e to the power of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now you can take the substitution. Put t is equal to tan inverse of x. So what happens? If you put t is equal to tan inverse x, dt by dx is equal to differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So here dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this integral becomes e to the power of t. This quantity 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. What is integration of e raised to t? Is e raised to t plus c. Substitute the value of c. This is e to the power of, what is t we have taken? Tan inverse of x plus c. So e to the power of tan inverse x plus c. Right, very simple problem. Now let us move on to the next one. So integrate, this is also very important for the point of examination. Now you 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 to the power of x log 10 to base c divided by x to the power of 10 by 10 to the power of x. Now here let us write t. Put t is equal to the denominator x to the power of 10 plus 10 power x. Differentiate this. Dt is equal to differentiation of 10 x power 10 is 10, x to the power of 10 minus 1 is 9. Differentiation of a to the power of x is a raised to x, 10 power x log 10 to base c. Right, into dx. See, if you observe carefully, this is nothing but 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 power x log 10 to base c into dx is equal to dt divided by t. So integration of 1 over t dt. Integration of 1 over t is log t plus c. This is logarithm of, what is t we have taken? X to the power of 10 plus 10 to the power of x plus c. That's it. Right. If you observe carefully, this is of the form integral f dash of x divided by f of x dx. So integral of f dash x by f of x dx is always equal to log of f of x plus c. See here, what is the function? If the function is in the denominator and differentiation of the function is in the numerator. If function is in the denominator and the derivative is in the numerator, then that integrated answer is equal to log of the function. So differentiation of x raised to 10 is 10x power 9. Differentiation of 10 to the power of x is 10 power x log 10 to base c. F dash x by f of x is direct, we can write logarithm of f of x. Logarithm of f of x is x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. That is the answer we are going to get. That's it, very simple. Now move on to the next problem. Integrate tan square 2x minus 3. Same. Now here also you can integrate by taking the substitution. Put t is equal to 2x minus 3. Differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to 2 into 1 is 2. So dt by 2 is equal to 2x. This given integral becomes integral tan square. This 2x can be written as t and dx is equal to dt by 2. 1 over 2 into integral of tan square t dt. Now what is integral of tan square? So we don't have integration of tan square. Convert this. 1 over 2 into tan square can be written as secant square t minus 1 into dt. So integral of secant square is tan t minus integration of dt is t plus c. 1 over 2 into tan of, substitute the value of t. What is t we have taken? 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c is the integrated answer. Very important for 2 marks. See here, put t is equal to 2x minus 3, differentiate it. this will become tan square t. So tan square t can also be written as secant square t minus 1. Integral of secant square is tan t and integration of dt is t. Substitute the value of t, 1 by 2 into tan of t is 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. This is also a very important type problem indeed. Very important. Now x cube into sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8. The given integral can be written as, write down first, sine of tan inverse x power 4 into x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 dx. Now let us take the substitution. Put t is equal to tan inverse x to the power of 4. Differentiate this. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. What is x? We have x to the power of 4 whole square into differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. So dt by dx is equal to multiply 4x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole square is nothing but x power 8. Bring this 4 to the denominator. dt by 4 is equal to x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 8 into dx. Right. Now therefore this given integral becomes integral sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4 is t, sine t. This entire quantity x cube by 1 plus x to the power of 4 can be written as dt by 4. You can take 1 by 4 out. Integration of sine t dt. 1 over 4 into integration of sine is minus cos t plus c. Substitute the value. Minus 1 over 4 into cos of, what is t we have taken? Tan inverse x to the power of 4 plus c is the integrated answer. Very important for 3 marks. See, put t is equal to tan inverse x to the power of 4. Differentiation of tan inverse x by 4 is 4x 1 over 1 plus x square in x square, that is 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole square into differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power of 8. Bring this to the denominator. dt by 4 is equal to x cube by 1 plus x. So this entire quantity is equal to dt by 4. Integration of sine t is minus cos t, minus 1 over 4 into cos of tan inverse x to the power of 4 plus c is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. Very important problem indeed. Now move on to the next problem. So integrate the following with respect to x. This is also very important for 2 marks. You may expect this also for the point of examination. This given integral can be written as integral cos root x into 1 over root x dx. Now let us take the substitution as root x. Put t is equal to root x. Differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x, cross multiply. 2 dt is equal to 1 over root x dx. So therefore this given integral becomes integral cos of root x is nothing but t, and this entire quantity 1 over root x dx is equal to 2 times dt. So 2 out, integration of cos t dt. Now 2 into integration of cos t is sin t plus c. This is 2 into sine of, what is t? T is nothing but root x plus c. That's it. 2 sine root x plus c is the integrated answer. Very simple. See here, this can be written as cos root x into 1 over root x dx. Put t is equal to root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x. So 2 dt is equal to 1 over root x dx. So cos of root x is t. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 times dt. 2 out, integration of cos t is sin t. So 2 into sine of, what is t? T is equal to root x plus c is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. So these are few problems for 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks in indefinite integral. So you may expect this type of questions for the point of examination. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different problems in the next session. Thank you very much.